Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to log into your NordVPN account easily and without any hassle. Whether you're brand new or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the steps clearly and simply. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official NordVPN website. Once the home page loads, you'll see information about features and deals, but what we're looking for is the login option. In the top right corner of the page, click the button that says Login. On the login page, enter the email address you used to register and your password. Take a moment to make sure everything is typed correctly, including any symbols or special characters. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. NordVPN will send you an email to help you reset it. For added security, it's a good idea to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, so even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without that second verification step. Once your details are entered, click the Login button. If everything matches, you'll be taken straight to your NordVPN dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage your subscription, adjust settings, download apps, or contact support if needed. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to browse the internet securely and privately.